Hello everybody, today we will be making our purple cabbage salad. So I am using half a slice of purple cabbage and shred it like this one, or you can make it smaller as you want. Then we can add our diced red pepper. So I'm using one big red pepper. And then we can add our 2 mini small cucumbers. So just dice it too, just like your red bell pepper. And then I have 1 small tomato. You have to dice it too, like this one. And then of course my favorite, we can add our 1/2 a slice of avocado. Then you can add your favorite nuts. So I'm putting my sunflower seed and some sliced almonds. And then we can now add our dressing and we'll mix it. There you go. Our purple cabbage salad is ready. Enjoy!